This is a Talk of the Town Extra.
I'm Meryl Rose. There's a proposal to change a law that could give millions of Americans overtime pay that were previously exempt. Attorney Jim Higgins is here now to tell us more about who might be getting a pay raise. That sounds good, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
So tell us about these proposed changes.
So right now, under what we call the Fair Labor Standard Act, you can get overtime in certain situations, but there are exemptions, as everybody knows. And one of the exemptions is if you're in a management or administrative type position and you make about $23,000 a year, then as a salary, then your boss doesn't have to pay you overtime. Well, the government is talking about changing that right now, and they've got a rule proposal. It's going through the motions. It'll take a while to get there. But in the future, if this passes, in order for you to be exempt from overtime as a manager, you would have to make about $50,000. So a lot of employers are going to have to make a choice. They're either going to have to start paying overtime to these management type positions or administrative type positions, or they're going to have to give them a big raise. So probably what will happen, I mean, that's such a big raise, is that people will just start getting more people will qualify for overtime pay, and it can mean a difference to about 5 million people in this country.
Nice. When will this take place?
Oh, you know the government, they don't do things fast, right?
Right.
So I think the last time they had a major rule change like this, it took about a year. So what happened is the rule's been proposed. It's now being commented on. We do a lot of employment law. We are in a lot of committees, and so they are getting everybody's input from groups like that, and so that will take probably about a year or so for it to go through.
All right, if folks have questions about overtime pay, they should contact your office?
Oh yeah, just because this is going through. There's a lot of people that deserve overtime that aren't getting it, and they think that if they're one, call us and we'll look at their case.
Thank you so much. For more information about the Higgins Firm, visit their website, thehigginsfirm.com.